Create builds a website that works for you. Create is an AI-powered website builder that makes creating and developing a website you want easy. Know about Create. Working on your website? How about building a website that works for you? Create offers you a website with a dynamic home page that changes every day. Customize your home page message to cater to your new market segment. The Create website builder allows you to add GIF or videos on your home pages. It is easy to customize. Select the home page that best communicates to your audience segment. The AI-based engine analyzes your answers based on the responses to the questions asked by the tool and offer you a home page that best suits your business. All the websites built on Create are SEO compliant and the websites are all device responsive. The tool is multilingual, offering you the options to cater to your local audience in the regional language. It allows you to customize based or select the desired interface from a huge virtual library. Key features: a proprietary tool that gives you the ease of building a website with the features that you want. Integrated with the latest AI technology, Create customizes your homepage as per your customer segment. Image and content suggestions. Built-in stock photo library. Multiple device responsive. Dashboard metrics. Built-in client support. Dynamic homepages. A Bill Must production.